sige, sige. Oh.
Dad, you said it's the last one there. She said.
Kaya nga, ito yung last one. This is the last one. Sige na. Oh, last one. Last 4. Oh. Sige na. Last 4. Oh. Oh, basahin mo na to. Louder. Ah. And. Oh.
No.
That is not no.
Oh. On.
On. Oh.
Grass. Come.
Can. Okay, very good. Oh. Itong paper nito, ayan, bukas na yan, oh. Ito naman. Okay. Went. Oh, sige. Am. Oh. It. Huwag kang ganyan, oh, sige na. Oh, last na to. Oh. Ba. Big. Louder. Big. Oh, sige, tatabi na natin. Sige na. Sige, mag-i-sleep ka na. Are you sleepy? Ba't ayaw mo na magbasa? Let's continue tomorrow.
I don't want to go back to school.
Why?
Because everyone sits down to be my best friend.
What?
Everybody said no, and then I'm sad.
Sabi mo marami kang best friend. Kanina lang sabi mo you have hundreds of best friends.
No, it's yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
But today?
Today I have 100 friends.
Oh. Sige na, hindi ka na. Nung nagbasa ka na ubos yung kaibigan mo. Kanina hindi ka nagbabasa, marami kang kaibigan.